I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 5 of File Notes, emailing a file note. Now, please note that for the purposes of this webinar, I'm using both a matter and a file note that I have already created. Okay, so please have a look at our webinars on both of those. Right, so standing on our matter, we go to the file note screen, and I'm going to use the third and highlighted file note. Now please note there's two options when it comes to emailing a file note. You can do this on the fly, as in while you're capturing your file note. So if I just edit this or open it up, I'm busy capturing my file note, I put the content in, and you can then click on the email this file note to email this particular file note. Alternatively, and the option that I'm going to show you in this webinar, is using the email icon. So hovering my mouse over the little envelope on top of the world, I see that I can either email the highlighted or tagged file note. So if I want to just email the single file note, I click on the little email button and the email message screen will open. It will put in the details of my matter. I like to just edit this out to only show the file reference and the matter description, and all it will do is put the date and content of your file note. Now here at the to and copy to, if you click on the little ellipse button at the end of the field, you can see the various parties who are involved in this matter. So I want to send it to my client, who's also the plaintiff, or to the defendant. I will also have access to my entire Legal Suite address book, so I can choose a party from the address book. Alternatively, I can send to or copy to other employees, or if you use your Outlook address book, you will have access to your Outlook contacts. Alternatively, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply type the email address in, and I'm using my email address, which has been used before, so it will automatically pop up. Now, every time you email anything from Legal Suite, a file note will automatically be created. So you have the option, do not create a file note from this email. You can charge the client for the email, and you can insert a diary entry to perhaps follow up on the email. I am going to do none of these things for the purposes of this. I'm going to click on send, and it's just my Windows security, and the email has now gone. Right, so there comes the email into my inbox. So this is how the client will receive the email. You can see it simply popped the content of the email in and picked up my email signature. Okay, so if I go back to the program, I click on the refresh button, and a file note has been created from the fact that I sent an email.